Okay, we're at Nairobi Junction now. This is the end of our Congo expedition. The safari's over. This is the train station, Nairobi train station. Oh, excuse me, man, you gotta move ahead. Right there, Nairobi train station. That was some kind of fun. Here's the other side of the Nairobi train station. Pictures of some flowers for Mom. She liked those. It's beautiful everywhere. Welcome to Nairobi. 10-4. There's our Nairobi train through the wilds of Congo. Moroccan Palace Theater. Right there. Okay, we'll give you a back-up view of it, see how pretty it is. That's where the skating exhibition was. That was some nice. Here we are.